Young nigga, I got.
Alrighty guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. In today's video, we've got a few things on. We're doing Josh's W1 interior. Oh, I actually might have leaked it. He hasn't even said it just yet, but we're doing Josh's interior. He went with full custom interior for his blown car. And also, I've got a little bit of a surprise. We did actually buy another car. So without further ado, let's get stuck straight in.
Alrighty, let's do it.
KK. Young nigga, I got old cash, spazzing on they ass. I got Prada on my whole ass. Got my lab one mad, pop a nigga like a damn tag. Shopping on they ass, I just bought a new old Jag. Yeah, it's so fast, smoking flocker, you a jackass. All I smoke is gas, don't you?
We've got all of Josh's pieces here. We've also got a few other collections too, so we've got a set of VE there, a couple of VFs there. If you guys are interested, make sure to flick me a DM on Instagram or hit us up on our Instagram page, Shady Street Styling, or our website too. Alrighty guys, so we're about ready to get everything set up and put in. But first of all, I want to give a bit of a rundown on actually what we went with for Josh's car. So we went with a full light black Alcantara all-round diamond stitch pattern, W1 embroidered headrest, W1 embroidered dash piece as well. Normally it does say GTSR, but we wanted it to be a little bit different, so we did go with the W1. Red stitching all around, which I wasn't too sure on, but I actually reckon it looks absolutely mad. So the full Alcantara combo looks nuts. Front rear seats, dash pads, door cards, center console, and yeah, that's about it. Let's chuck it all in and give this thing a full makeover.
Don't you ask me where the pole at, where your clothes at. I ain't talking about my niggas.
We're just taking his center console out first, which is super easy. It's only a couple Phillips screws in it, so I always kind of like to start with the easy stuff and then move on to the front seats. Makes it easier not having the rear seats in, gives you more room. And start on the rear seats and then door cards and dash pads.
Pardon me, I don't talk to you, so don't you talk to me. I ain't dissing on nobody, I'm vibing on the beat. Honestly, I'm just trying to be.
Alright, we've run into our first hurdle. Josh's driver's seat doesn't move. And when you get to the bolts that are underneath it, you need to move the seat forward to do it. We're gonna do the door cards now.
Trying to get over on anything, they telling lies to me. I spent 5 on my pink ring, she love my diamond ring. Anyway, I'm married to the game, she said her vows to me. I ain't getting on my knees, babe, you bow down to me. You go down for me, you lay down and do the time for me. Sorry boo, yeah I lied to you, but don't you lie to me. It's Lil Kodak, different.
Josh, what are these, buddy? Just keeps random bolts in his door card. All right, so I'm gonna do the same thing again. It's pretty much a couple bolts under here, a couple inside the door handle, a couple on the top here. And we do have to actually unscrew all this trim piece as well to put onto the new door card. So again, let's do it. I'm gonna say let's do it probably like 50 times in this video. Let's do it.
This kid, boy who hides me, told the doctor I'm a healthy kid. I smoke broccoli, I will run around your whole boy like Monopoly. Oh boy, you's a bold boy, flockers got you beat chocolate. Call me Reese's, can't catch me without the piece.
Are you certified to do this, right?
Yeah, bro, I'm actually a qualified mechanic.
We're qualified auto detailer.
Yeah.
Fucking hell.
Auto styler.
Auto styler.
Yeah. So we've now done the driver's rear, driver's front, and it just looks so much better, man. Like, there's 2 types of Alcantara that we've done previously, and I've actually got both colors inside the front office. There's this light black Alcantara, which is what we went with Josh's, and that's what I've got in my car as well. And then there's this other black, and I don't know, maybe it's just personal preference, but I think the actual black looks terrible, and the light black, which is like a gray, looks 10 times better and actually looks like a black. The other one looks like, I don't know, it looks cheap. That's the only way I can put it. But, looks mad. Red stitching, Alcantara armrest. It's mad.
If it's not a genuine, what's this shit? Can you pull out my
Oosh. Holy. What's that?
We're doing this for real, baby.
That's hectic.
Strut top covers.
Damn.
What's that?
I guess it's genuine now.
It is.
Technically. It just went up like 100K.
Yeah, well, what? It's got service books.
Yeah, service books means it's genuine. I just finished door cards on that side. Cool. So door cards are in on there.
Fuck car hole or something.
I'm trying to get it up here so I can get the L.S.
Might have to loosen it. Oh no, we're sweet.
Say la vie, I'm 10 toes down, you falling off your feet. I would trip your ass, full retreat, call it Halloween. Yeah, that money is what I play for, call it lottery. Goddamn, you's a clown to me, you's a clown to me. You can't smoke no black or mild with me, get in a car with me.
It's gonna, just so you get a rough idea, so it's gonna sit like that, there.
Yeah. Wait, I don't know.
Maybe stand up and go straight to the back and I'll like duck down and you tell me.
Left hand, left down a touch. Yeah, I reckon like there. Let me just get my camera up.
It's gonna,
Concentration.
Or do you reckon left hand down a touch?
okay, that's good.
We on?
Let's look at the picture.
We on?
Yeah.
You like it? I'll push it if you want it.
Yeah.
We're about to chuck all of Josh's old interior in the back of the 2500. And then we'll get another start up for you guys and we'll cut into some B-roll. I don't know what the fuck you said. I got no clue what you just said. Da-da-da, that's all I heard.
Genuine
I'm
as fuck.
standing on the wire. Lightweight, baby! Lightweight!
A lot of this stuff is good.
All right, Josh's car's all now finished up. We just filmed a couple other little bits and pieces, some little Insta reels and stuff too. But I think he's about to fire this thing up. We'll get it outside, get it loaded up, and we got to dive into the new little marketplace build that I found.
With me, you a funny guy. Don't you even joke around with me. How could it be? Get from round the G, you browned it for me. I'm a free band junkie. You a junkie. You getting skin, I'm getting junkie. Getting money. Want some food? Boy, you hungry? I fuck on honey. Honey.
Alrighty, so the car's back at the shop. It was its first kind of night out. We took it to the meet that I threw at the distillery road markets, and we hit the highway afterwards. Now, my NOx sensor parameters need to be changed. It constantly goes into limp mode as soon as it cracks limiter, so we are going to get that changed this week. But on top of that too, my dipstick actually rubbed through the, what would you even call it? The exciter wire to the starter motor. So, which means it was earthing out on the dipstick. So then on the side of the road, as I was trying to get out of limp mode, I've turned the car off, going to turn it back on, the car didn't start. So stuck on the side of the highway. We ended up jumping it to get it started using a couple fuses that kept popping, but anyway, we figured it out. So yeah, it's just a small issue, small little fix, nothing too major, but yeah. Elvis is gonna have a quick look now and see if he can sort it out. I need to get off Marketplace bad. Logan, I'm sorry. I keep buying builds and random shit for me and Logan. Me and Logan go halves in a lot of things. I bought the red VSS, we've sold that. I bought the black one, we've sold that. So the black and the red ones, they're going off to the United States. I've got another green one as well that's elsewhere. That's also going off to the United States. But I did buy another one, and yeah, sorry Logan, but I'll show you that in just a moment. All right, so this might be a new series, Shady's Marketplace Addiction. Often or not, I reckon I spend about 9 hours a day scrolling on Marketplace. Some of you guys have jobs like 9 to 5s, so do I. I just scroll Marketplace. Anyway, we found a buy. We have a 2012 VSS. I don't think it's a Thunder. It is not a Thunder. Hard lid, it is rear bagged as well, which is kind of tough. It's aired up at the moment just because we had to move the thing earlier today, but bagged in the rear, which is mad. The full interior is pretty much there. It's just in a bit of pieces. It is a Series 2 as well. It does have a gearbox, does have heavy duty clutch, has the diff in it and everything. I don't think this bonnet's actually bolted on. No, it's not, but we're gonna open it up. It's just missing a motor. This is sick. So, I guess this is like the aim of the game. Well, this is the first introduction, but yeah, we've got a motor for it. So Logan has sorted me out an engine. We're gonna cam it. It's already got a heavy duty clutch. It's already manual. It's already bagged. We got wheels for it too, which I'll show you in just a moment. But yeah, I guess welcome to another random Shady's Marketplace Addiction episode 1. And again, back on the Marketplace random shit. Found these. They're, I think they're ZR10s, I think so. I think that's what they're called. They're genuine works. 19s, they're actually pretty mad. I did see them, yeah, I was right, they're ZR10s. 2-piece, genuine works. And I saw them, they're on a black VF, and I picked these up. And I think we're gonna, for this whole series, we might actually do a tally on what everything's costing. So we picked these up, $3 grand. It's the first purchase for the little build. But yeah, I guess next episode we'll actually go over it, give it a bit of a clean, bolt the bonnet on, get these wheels on, kind of discuss what's left or what we actually need to do to the thing. And yeah, so welcome to the first episode, and I guess stay tuned for the second episode. Alrighty guys, and that's a wrap on today's YouTube video. If you do like this type of content, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's go a quick run over we did all of Josh's interior in the W1 GTSR blown thing. And yeah, I guess introduce you to the new little build series, the Blue SS. So stay tuned for that. That'll be all over on the Instagram, as well as I might try and tie it in with a couple other YouTube videos. But again, without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next one.